Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about redox reaction. So this topic is there in the first chapter of chemistry of class 10, that is chemical reactions and equations. So I suppose ki you all might have gone through the chapter anyway or any other source. So it is assumed that redox reaction seems to be the one of the most complicated topic of this chapter. So here I am to make this topic a very interesting one and very easy for you guys. So let us see what is redox reaction. Actually, redox is the combination of red and ox. Here, red means reduction and ox means oxidation. I repeat, redox is the combination of reduction and oxidation reaction. So let us discuss कि when we can conclude कि a reduction reaction is taking place और हम लोग कब कह सकते हैं कि oxidation is taking place. Actually, out of these two definitions, you need to learn only one. And once you have a good command over this, then you will be able to identify कि whether it is a redox reaction or not. Okay. So let us start our class. Oxidation means nothing but addition of oxygen. So if oxygen is getting added to any element or a compound, then we can say the oxidation reaction is taking place. Or if oxygen is not there and hydrogen is getting removed, okay, from any compound, if hydrogen is getting removed or from hydrogen atom, one of the atom is getting removed from its place, then also we will say the oxidation reaction is taking place. If you have learned or if you have made a good command over oxidation, then you just need to think opposite in case of reduction reaction. Okay. So in oxidation we have seen the oxygen was getting added and hydrogen was getting removed. So just think opposite. Whatever it is getting added here, you have to write here the substance which is getting added here, that will be removed in case of reduction. तो ऑक्सीडेशन में हमने देखा कि ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रहा था, रिडक्शन में क्या हो जाएगा कि ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे रिमूव होगा, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो रहा था, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो जाएगा. तो एज आई सेड अर्लियर, you just need to learn only one thing, either oxidation or reduction, and you have to think accordingly. Okay. तो अगर ऑक्सीडेशन के ऊपर you have made a good command, you just think opposite of that and you will be able to conclude about reduction. So it will be clear now with the help of an example. So I will use the example which is given there in your book NCERT of class 10. Okay. So let us have an example. Here ZNO means zinc oxide and C denotes carbon. What will happen when zinc oxide will react with carbon? So after the reaction, what will happen? Zinc metal will be separated and a new compound, that is carbon monoxide, will be formed. So let us come to our definition. For oxidation we have seen so here in this reaction you can clearly see the carbon atom is alone here, and after the reaction what is happening? The oxygen is getting added to carbon. Okay, so in this example oxygen is getting added to carbon. So thus we can say that an oxidation reaction is taking place. So here we can write oxidation. If you go through the definition of reduction, whatever we have studied right now, then you will find out if oxygen is getting removed from a compound you will say कि reduction is taking place. तो बस आपको opposite सोचना है. ऑक्सीडेशन में ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रहा है, इसका अपोजिट क्या होगा कि रिडक्शन में ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो जाएगा. सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम हियर फ्रॉम दिस एग्जांपल कि फ्रॉम विच कंपाउंड ऑक्सीजन इज गेटिंग रिमूव. सो फ्रॉम दिस कंपाउंड जिंक ऑक्साइड से ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो रहा है एंड जिंक ऑक्साइड इज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड टू जिंक मेटल. So removal of oxygen is called what? That is called reduction. Now let us talk about redox reaction. In redox reaction, what happens? The oxidation and reduction takes place in a chemical reaction simultaneously. तो वैसा chemical reaction जिसमें oxidation भी हो रहा हो और रिडक्शन भी हो रहा हो, ऐसे केमिकल रिएक्शंस को आप कहते हो रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. सो यस, दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. ओके, सो आई होप कि अप टू हियर इट वुड बी क्लियर कि व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन एंड व्हाट इज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. आई विल मेक अनदर वीडियो which will be related to commonly asked question in class 10. Okay. So keep watching the video and please don't forget to subscribe, share and